Whoa!
There's Ryan!
Ryan? Whoa!
We found Ryan, kids. Let's go. I hear somebody. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Come on, they're coming. They're coming. Let's go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Wow. A lot of orange. Hey, Tiger, what's going on?
Dad, I found a secret door to Ryan's house.
You did?
Ryan's toy review house.
Ryan's toy review house?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, follow me over here.
Okay.
Here, at this, the fire hydrant.
Whoa, this is a fire hydrant. Are you sure?
Yeah, I know we can't fit, but let's go.
Well, hang on. Look at this. Whoa. What's that for, Tiger? What do they use that for?
For fire.
You sure? I think it's a water hose.
Hello.
Hello. I think that's a water hose, Tiger.
Oh, here we go. It's time to go ready.
This one?
It's ready.
Right here?
Yeah, it's ready. It's ready. Let's go.
Are you ready to go in?
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Whoa!
I can't see anything.
Tiger, it's so dark in here. I can't see anything, Tiger. Where you at?
Yeah.
Let me touch you. Hey, that's you. I found you. Tiger, how come it's so dark in here?
What the?
I'm right here. Oh, that's the door. The door there. Open it up. Shh. Might be Ryan here. Ryan's still here.
It's right here. It's in the middle. He's really with his sister.
Okay, shh.
Wait, I heard his mom said it's time to go now.
They're leaving? They're leaving?
Yes, I see. Hold on.
Go, go, go. Shh, 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 shh.
I think they're gone.
Whoa! Wow, look at this. You got a big house. Wow! Look at that kitchen. Wow! Wow! Look at that kitchen. Tiger, Tiger, where you at? Open it. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Whoa! There's nothing. Whoa! I see something. Hang on. Open it up here. I see something. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Oh, Ryan. How Ryan get in there?
Wow.
Here you go, Tiger. You found Ryan. Okay,
Let's put it right here. That way he won't forget.
Yeah, let's leave it there. Let's go.
Alright, where are we going now?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you know what? Check out this. Look, I see his backyard. Look at that. Wow.
Whoa.
It's a big backyard. Look at that. Wow.
Put a jumper in there.
Yeah, you can fit a jumper, anything you want.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's check out the other room, huh, Tiger?
Wow.
Oh, look at Ryan. Mom like horses. Look. There's horses there. And candle. Okay, let's go check out Ryan's room. Let's go check out Ryan's room.
Extra storage.
Extra storage? What is it? Whoa! Wow, that's a big storage. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, Tiger.
Alright. Whoa.
Oh.
Laundry.
What is that? What's that?
There's nothing. Why does it say laundry?
Oh, must be for the soap and stuff. Wow, Ryan, look. Look, I found his sister's room. She like playing golf. Look, see?
Oh no,
Wow.
it's older.
Huh?
It's older.
Oh yeah, no. Maybe. Oh wow, Tiger, there's something in the box.
Wait, what? It's glassy.
No, there's nothing. Wow, she like golf, Tiger. Look at it. Wow.
Wow.
Let's go to Ryan's room, huh?
So, look, somebody got.
Oh yeah, she had a lot of golf balls. Look at it. She's collecting golf balls.
Hey, what happened to the golf team?
Oh, golf club? I think it broke. Let's go. Come on. Look at it. Yeah, golf. Wow, this is other sister's room, Tiger. See, that's his other sister right there.
No, that's a grown up.
Nah,
Maybe it's his
aunt?
cousin.
Oh, cousin?
Cousin or aunt.
Wow, look at the backdrop. Look at the nice wood.
Wow.
Wow, she like taking pictures, Tiger. Huh? Tiger? Tiger, where you go?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Tiger, where you go, Tiger?
I wasn't meant to do that. So let's see what's in these drawers.
Let's see what's in the drawer. Wow! Whoa!
Let's look in these drawers.
Look in the drawer. Let's see. There's nothing.
Let's look in all of them.
There's nothing.
Whoa!
There's Ryan.
Ryan? Whoa!
We found Ryan, kids.
We found Ryan, guys. Look.
Wow! There he is. That's Ryan's toy. He left it there. Let's go. Let's go, Tiger. Come on.
Wait,
What?
is that his neighbor?
Oh, that's not his neighbor. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the parents' room. Come on.
Wait, where is it?
It's that way. The parents' room is that way.
There's no upstairs.
Yeah.
Underneath.
Oh wow! Look at the parents' room.
What is this?
Wow! Oh wow! There's a big treasure box. There's nothing. Wow! Look at TV. Wow! Look at the restroom, Tiger.
Wow.
Look at that flooring. Wow! That's a nice flooring.
I think this is the pack where they brush.
Oh, this is to brush your teeth, yeah, and take a shower, Tiger. Yeah, you're right. Wow.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big shower head, huh? No, it don't work, Tiger.
Maybe they forgot to pay for the water.
Yeah, they forgot to pay for the water bill. Wow, Tiger. Look at, jump on the bed, Tiger, jump on the bed. Yeah, Tiger. Let's open up. What's in there, Tiger? Open it up.
Whoa.
I want to see, let me see. Nothing.
Hey, let's see.
See what? What happened, Tiger? The other one?
And there is this.
Oh, there's Ryan again. Wow, you found Ryan again. Awesome.
Let me see the bottom.
Tiger, where you go? Tiger. Tiger. Let's go. I hear somebody. Let's go, Tiger. Let's go, let's go. Come on, they're coming. They're coming. Let's go. 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 Tiger, is this way or this way, Tiger?
I think it's this.
Is this way? Oh, Tiger, this house so big there. I'm getting lost, Tiger. Which way is it? What way is it, Tiger?
Is it right here? Remember?
Is it over here, Tiger?
It's right here.
Right there? That's not it, Tiger. Tiger, come on, we gotta go. He's coming. The garage is opening up somehow. The garage is opening up. We gotta go. Go.
There you go.
Oh, there it is. Let's go. Close the door. Tiger, I think we're back. Whoa! Yeah! We made it. Whoa! Let's go back in there. Tiger, we made it back. Look at the moon. It's getting dark, Tiger.
Let's go.
Let's go. We gotta go home. Come on.
Wait, it's after dark too.
Yeah, it's getting dark. Let's go. Yeah. That was fun. You see Ryan's house? He got a lot of cool stuff, huh?
A lot of things.
Wow. He got like I like his bedroom. He likes to play baseball and skateboarding.
Yeah, that's really fun.
Yeah. Come on, Tiger, let's go. It's getting dark. Look, we got a long way walk home. Our house is way out there. Way that way. Let's go. You seen this they have this nice orange here. Look. Oh, that's a lemon. Yeah.
Lemon.
You know what? This time you didn't bring anything from Ryan's house, did you?
Nope.
Let me see hand. Okay, good job. We gotta keep it walking. We got a long way home. Whoa, look at the palm tree. Huge palm tree.
It's palm tree time.
Tiger, you know what?
What?
You see the moon behind you? See that moon?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Wow.
It's big, huh?
I know, it's super big.
Okay, Tiger. That's it. What you say, boy?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Super Baby Butters. Make sure you subscribe and like me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.